right, well, this morning, I'm already sweating. It's not even 10 o'clock. Not cool. I mentioned in another video that eventually people are going to get tired of coming to help me, and I'm going to have to start doing my rigging on my own. Apparently today's that day. But we've got a very burnt up backhoe that needs to go on that trailer. And a good customer of ours called. He's used this quite a few times. So we're out here in his backyard playing with the rotator today. So give me all your criticism, guys. I want to see what you think. And hit the like button.
Yeah, hit the like button.
Even if you don't like the video, hit the like button.
Don't be a keyboard warrior.
Yeah. At least hit like if you're going to talk smack. When I pick it up, it's going to turn a little bit, but I can rotate it. Is it hooked in? Hey, let's get a strap on this bucket. Get a strap or a chain to hold this bucket back.
You got a chain?
All right, clear. Go ahead and come on back. Yeah. Does he want it all the way up? Does he want it all the way up to the front?
We need to go a little bit more. Yeah.
You guide him, tell him where he wants it.
Yeah, we need to put the front bucket on the top, near to
The bucket needs to be as close to the front, to the step.
yeah, on the tire. Up a little bit.
Do you want the bucket up there? Okay. Boy, he's low. Get a shot of him. Golly, makes your drone look little. Is that good with you? I can move it.
I understand, but I don't know how long.
Yeah, he wants to wait at the step. He's gonna hit the tires first.
Don't worry. Yeah. Try to sit on the top of the tires.
Okay, have him back
Hey.
up another 2 feet.
We're gonna try to sit on the top of the tires. Don't worry, it's not heavy.
Okay.
Put it up on the tires.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You can.
Bring it back.
Just make sure that.
Yeah, it just doesn't go past that. Yep.
Right here.
It needs to go forward some more. Hey, I can move it over. I can move it over. Yep.
Yeah, he must be more in the center.
Hey, don't break your back. I got it.
I think must be something trees for this place.
Up a little bit.
For this place.
Pon la
Trees
pata.
for this place.
Va a pegar primero la llanta. No, tú en el tuyo. Tú en el tuyo y en el tuyo.
This and here must be two.
Set it down.
But
You need one under the wheels.
let's try. Yes, but I think in
Hey,
this place
Move
must
it
be.
the other one, the front. You see there? You want it there?
Sí, porque medio no lo va a querer. Ahí está. No se quedó todavía.
Good.
Yeah.
Let's try, yeah.
You got it. I just got to set the front down.
Can little up on this twist.
Stand by 1 second. You need just the rear over,
This side.
just the back.
Yes, sir. It must
Yeah, it's
be
crooked.
just
You
right.
need just the back over. Okay, I can do that.
Other one. Little bit the side. You see that line right here? Need to go over here.
So the whole thing needs to come over. Well, let me work with the back, and then we'll work with the front. It's pretty damn straight.
Yes, it's
The bucket's off kilter, but the machine is straight.
Yeah, leave the machine straight.
Yeah.
The bucket, don't worry.
Yeah. How's that look to you guys?
That's good.
I think yes.
Set it down?
Yeah. Keep it on.
It's all yours. It's pretty cool, huh?
This pinky.
He just left me hanging. Tried to give him knuckles. All right, cool? Good? All right, I'm hooking. Huh? Busy?
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy, yeah. This truck makes everything a lot easier. You happy? How you're pushing on that tire?
Yes. We can adjust this.
Yeah.
Try that.
Yeah.
Let me put that down.
Good? Hang on, or you gotta readjust my chain, that's all. Good?
I think yes.
Yeah, we can push this down with the oil bumper.
Yeah. It's okay.
You made me scratch my chains. Well, ladies and gents, there you have it. I successfully lifted the backhoe and put it on the trailer for the gentleman. Relatively easy job, fun job. I love doing these the most. One of the perks of the Raptor controls is I can work the outriggers with the remote. Fancy. I don't think the older models you could do that, but you can on the new ones. It's nice. It's nice. Big fan. Big fan.
Yeah, we can tell.
Yeah. Love having the rotator. It's such a, it makes jobs like this so easy. We used to do this with a couple of wreckers, and could we get it done? Yeah. Could we have got it done in this guy's driveway? No. No chance. Rotator did it with ease. Didn't even care. Said, hey guys, what do you want to do today? We want to lift a backhoe. So, there you have it. Well, hit the like button for me.
Yes, like and subscribe.
Well, you don't have to subscribe. We prefer you to subscribe.
Hit the dislike button if you didn't like it.
Yeah, interact with it. Leave a comment. You got a creeper over your shoulder. He just looks away. He's like, what are you talking about? I ain't doing nothing. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, we're going to get out of here, guys. This guy's taken care of. appreciate you for using us again. And we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.